Indonesia is the fourth most populous country in the world and the eighth largest economy in purchasing power parity terms. With a steady 5% economic growth rate and an emerging middle class, a significant challenge is to create an inclusive and sustainable workforce. The project, Innovation and Investment for Inclusive and Sustainable Economic Development, or ISED, is a collaboration between the Government of Indonesia and the German federal government, implemented by GIZ and BAPPENAS, the Ministry of National Development Planning. ISED project strengthens the capacity of private and public sector actors by promoting inclusive and sustainable employment. In doing this, the project significantly contributes to the Sustainable Development Goals, in particular, quality education, decent work and economic growth, reducing inequalities, and responsible consumption and production. ISED has an emphasis on knowledge and skills transfer. Capacity building serves as both a leading character and primary focus, for example, training, as well as provision of experts to further develop the required skills in Indonesia's workforce. This goes hand in hand with the replication of training, monitoring and evaluation, and policy development. This answers directly to linking and matching the qualification requirements of the private sector with the supply of well-qualified human resources.
Salah satu yang kami harapkan adalah kami bisa membawa banyak pelajaran tentang berbagai strategi yang bisa kami aplikasikan untuk penciptaan lapangan kerja, terutama di dua sektor, yaitu di manufaktur dan di pariwisata.
The private sector is now seen as a key player in achieving development objectives such as the Sustainable Development Goals. The idea is that the innovative spirit of entrepreneurs and the dynamic and scalability of market-driven solutions are part of the answer to these challenges. Promoting and supporting these efforts has become an important task, as well as facilitating and engaging in partnerships with businesses.
Kerjasama yang ditawarkan atau konsep yang ditawarkan di ISED ini akan sangat besar kontribusi utamanya, khususnya di manpower competence. Setiap perusahaan pasti punya rencana pengembangan sumber daya manusia jangka panjang.
Kita menyadari bahwa di perusahaan sendiri punya keterbatasan tenaga pengajar, khususnya skill-skill yang spesial ya. Saya lihat ISED ini karena berangkatnya adalah mencari apa kebutuhan di suatu company. Jadi saya yakin nanti perusahaan-perusahaan akan sangat terbantu kalau misalkan skill yang diajarkan itu adalah yang kita sendiri belum bisa gitu.
Gap yang saya temukan di sini adalah bagaimana teknologi automation yang masuk di dalam perusahaan kami itu harus dijalankan secara fungsi operasional dengan sumber daya yang ada. Sementara yang ada sekarang adalah sumber daya itu relatif cukup jauh jarak antara kebutuhan teknologi yang didatangkan dengan resources yang ada. Baik itu terkait dengan basic skill terkait pemahaman teknologi automation atau bahkan secara intermediate atau bahkan advance bagaimana improve dilakukan dengan teknologi yang ada sekarang.
ISED helps define the suitable training design method, produce modules, and select training providers to implement the model effectively, achieving company objectives and culture, and to pave the way to a food and beverage HR consortium.
Nah, dengan adanya training PLC ini, kita jadi bisa menambah kompetensi karyawan, khususnya di Departemen Engineering. Untuk manfaatnya sih yang langsung terasa di perusahaan, khususnya untuk karyawan kita, terutama di pengembangan kompetensi karyawan.
The food and beverage industry faces multiple challenges in the transition to Industry 4.0, from product recalls to serving customer demands, as well as integrating new technology to source ingredients and tracing products. Significant investment in new equipment and employees is required by companies to enter this new era. Training measures and approaches with potential to generate employment within the manufacturing industry supply chain or inclusive business need to be considered and applied. This holistic approach is fed into relevant policies and regulations to be replicated at the national level. This model benefits suitable trainings for company staff so they can improve their relevant skill set and to create faster and more agile human resources as company assets, as well as saving training costs and sharing knowledge.
Kepada seluruh stakeholders, saya mengambil case untuk ISED. Di sini adalah Kita ingin bersama-sama sebenarnya untuk Indonesia membangun banyak sekali peluang yang bisa dimanfaatkan oleh seluruh stakeholders termasuk masyarakat untuk mendorong lebih banyak lapangan kerja yang berkualitas yang diciptakan.